Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. You know what you got to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Goes a long way. Today, I got two shoes, but I'm gonna split it up, man. I'm not gonna review both of them at the same time. I'll do this one tomorrow, and I'll drop this one today. I wanted to get my hands on this shoe. This is my first time actually owning a pair of the Jordan MA2s. So what happens when you get a combination of mesh, suede, you get a Jordan MA2. It's some people put it in the category of a runner. Then I seen lifestyle brand. Me personally, looking at the shoe, it looks more like a lifestyle brand than a runner to me. But to each its own. If you wear it to run, do what you do. It just looks more like a lifestyle brand to me. And here's the box, as you can see. So yeah, it's just a combination of various materials. This shoe just came out, I think, Thursday night. Shout out to Soul Links. So if you on Twitter, follow Soul Links. Soul Links did post these. Either Soul Links or Sneaker Twitter. One of them posted that these dropped, and I went ahead and got them off Foot Locker. So shout out to the good people at Foot Locker. And here we go. I like this shoe. Whoa, time out. I'm seeing some stains here on the back. Somebody wore this shoe, bruh. Like, nah, we ain't finna do that. Is it the box? Now this is a stain, bro. Look at this. You see that on the back? Like, what are we doing? That kind of threw me off. I'm sorry, because I didn't look at the shoe when I got it in. I just unboxed them out the box and bring them upstairs. Yeah, we're gonna check on that though. But yeah, Jordan MA2. I like the materials on this shoe. I'm big on materials on shoes. As you can see here, also what I noticed, they have like the deconstructed tongue look. So it has like a 23 tag here, and then it has like this little strap going across here. You guys can see that right here. And then it has leather. You got leather, man. You got suede. You got mesh. You got various materials on here. Then on the side, it has a tag that says 23 engineered airbag 2020. Has writing here on the side. Then I like here at the front, at the toe, it kind of has that gum bottom. That kind of set it off, like just the color patterns on this shoe to me make it look dope. I've seen maybe two other MA2s that I liked, but they were out of my size when I went to check them out, and hopefully they fit. I don't know if they're true to size or size up or whatever. So we're gonna do on foot, and after the on foot, I'll tell you guys how it fit if you're interested in checking it out. Then on the back here on this plastic, it says foot to foot eject. Here on the back has this little plastic piece here on the back, this yellow plastic piece. But I like the materials. One thing that I mean, I know they were doing a color thing, but it's kind of different to me. I wish this bubble would have been this same yellow. The orange is cool, it's not bad, but I wish it would have been this same yellow. I think that would have made it a little more pop, a little more with the yellow and yellow. The orange is still cool, but I would have liked it to have the yellow. And then also this yellow tab right here is also like a plastic material here on the side. Retail on these are $125. So yeah. But I mean, overall, it's a nice shoe. Then on the inside, it says engineered by the greatest, designed for flight, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. There you go. So yes, dope shoe. Can't complain. I like it. But we do need to, I need to holler at Foot Locker. Foot Locker, y'all gotta holler at me about this stain on the back. That ain't cool. I don't know what that is. Make me think they've been worn. I don't play them games. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the on feet for this shoe. I like it. I know sometimes people think, okay, well, you forgot to say they hard. I'll be honest, with certain shoes I'll get, sometimes I do forget, but for some shoes, it's like a metric system. So if I give you that these joints are hard, you know, the hard, that means they up there, they top tier, they put up back here's the favorites. It's almost like having your jersey put in the rafters. But this one is nice. I like it. I'm not gonna give it the hard though. I'm not gonna give it the these are hard. We ain't gonna do that one for this one, but it's not a bad shoe. I like it. It's something I can wear if I'm just out and about running little errands and throwing on a nice little cool little shoe. I like it. I'm gonna try it on though to see how it fits. I've heard they're comfortable, but we about to find out. So let's get to the on feet.
So all you niggas out of snitching and shit, remember one thing, karma's a bitch. Still real as
yeah, unfamiliar faces, unfamiliar actions, going through my contacts, deleting and subtracting. Niggas change up like a throw from a picture. Devoted like a motherfucker trying to get richer. Eyes wide open and I'm seeing everything. Far away from being deaf, so I'm hearing everything. Cats will drive you insane if you let them. Bros will do the same damn thing if you let them. More sense than a little bit, dip with the bullshit. Stay that your argument still making no sense. Spit it how I live, so I'm never on some bullshit. Say what you want, homie, still on some hood shit. Yeah, I'm a schizo, call me retarded. Chameleon with the style, yeah, my flow so assorted. Money is the root, homie, switch up for it. Nigga, earn my respect, homie, I ain't asked for it.
Still real as it gets. That's why I stay off in my own game. Real but nigga, I'm in my own lane. Still real as it gets. I hustle at all costs by any means. With my head to the sky, Lord, let me still real as it gets. I seen niggas RIP in this game. Jealousies for bras, hard T. Still real as it gets. So all you niggas out of snitching and shit, remember one thing, karma's a bitch. Still real as it gets.
All right, guys, so the final word on the Jordan MA2, it is a size 13. I would go size 13. They are comfortable. They are a great fit. They are true to size. For me, I am a true 13. Those fit perfectly, no complaints. They're not tight on my feet. They wasn't hugging. They wasn't snug. They fit great, fit perfect. They're not a bulky, hot shoe. It looks big, but it's not that hot, bulky, you know, where it has too many materials and it's kind of bulky. It wasn't really a hot shoe. I could see myself wearing it out and about. I like the air unit in it. Nice, subtle shoe. I will be rocking these. So that's my final word on them. They are nice. They are comfortable. They're not snug. They don't run tight. I will go true to size on them. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. MA2s, Foot Locker, y'all need to holler at me. I'm still tight about whatever this is on the back of this shoe, and it's a little something on the side of it. Y'all need to holler at me. But until the next video, you guys be cool.